fun of home ownership. So this is a sump pump. It's a barrel, there's a pump on the bottom, it goes up here. Here is your check valve, so water doesn't flow back down. Goes up, goes down, goes down. Now, whoever built this little room is an idiot. They knew they had a sump pump, they knew they needed it. Look at this, stick framing. That carries water, produces things like mold. So I'll rip all of it out, just probably 2 feet up to this post here. Replace it with some metal, some sheet metal, and then some cement board. You hear that running? See it's flipped coming out of the closet before. I got some leaks. I'm trying to find the source. Open these up. This is the previous one opened. Let's see any water down there. But these are big mold spots, which makes me believe that there was water down here. Let's see the black mold there. That's some behind the washing machine also. Let's open that up. Not seeing any dripping. There's a sump pump pipe, 1.5 inches. And here we are in the furnace hot water heater room. See there where it's wet. Some leaked out. Trying to find it. Here we spilled some paint not long ago. Here it is again. Got a check valve. These loop things here. I think that's coming from the dryer. I'm sorry, the washing machine drain. So this should be the sump pump one right here. Does not have a check valve. That might be part of my issue. There's the drain out. And then here at the furnace, we've got a little bit. See where that's coming from. I don't know where it's coming from. No, I'm not pointing. This whole crazy system. So that's the vent. That's the drain. That's where it goes out the building. Another P-trap. This goes over to here. I think that's the drainage for the upstairs shower and toilet and sink. But it's dry down there. In case that wasn't fun enough, had a leak the other day. Whole ceiling came down. It's a guinea pig cage. Big mess. Putting all this up so I can get in here. Here's another mess. Whoever did the construction around here is a piece of shit. Look at all this trash they left. This, very illegal. I think this is wiring all the lights. See that stuff back there? That's old knob and tube. It's not connected, so it's safe, but it's just sloppy, leaving this shit here. This is the floor above, the second floor. Now the leak is coming from, it's getting in here anyway, right through here. So, where I can't freaking get to it. So, we tarred outside. I added some caulk to my kid's window frame. I'm running out of places. What are we getting through? Next is to have to start ripping off siding off the side of the house. See what's coming from there. The joys of home ownership.